Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Techcore. In today's video, I'll try to do the 4G data speed test comparison between the OnePlus 9R versus the Realme X7 Pro device. So let's see friends which phone will be able to get the most of the 4G speeds. So right now in this test, I'll be using the Idea SIM as well with the 4G connection. And in case if you're interested in this kind of similar kind of 4G data speed test, so make sure to just type in the YouTube 4G data Sai Tech Guru. You'll get all my list of videos which I did plenty of comparison with other smartphones. As you can see friends, so many videos which are related to the 4G data, 5G data as well. So try to check those videos. You will definitely love seeing those. So let's get started friends with this kind of 4G data comparison. So right now there is no SIM cards installed in both phones at the moment. So first let me try to start doing the 4G data test in this Realme X7 Pro. I'll try to do the first in one phone and then I'll try to use the same SIM card and I'll try to transfer in the OnePlus 9R device. So in this way you'll get to know friends which phone has a better 4G data signals and better 4G speeds as well. So there is a huge difference between the normal mobile phone and the phone which has very fast 4G connection, definitely friends. So some phones, even they both are same price, but other phone will be performing a lot better. So right now I did turn on the 4G data connection is completely turned on, as you can see friends clearly. So let me try to quickly start the speed test application. So which is there's a speed test. So it is a speed test application which I'll try to open right now, and I'll try to show you friends what will be the exact results in this first Realme X7 Pro. So then I'll try to do in the OnePlus 9R. As you can see friends, in the Realme X7 Pro I was able to get speeds up to close to 25 Mbps. So right now I was reaching only 23, 24, 29, 30, 31, 32. As you can see friends, 35, 38, 40. So these with the Idea 4G internet friends, Idea 4G only, as you can see on the top. So with the 4G signals I was able to get 50 Mbps of speeds in this Realme X7 Pro device, as you can clearly see Realme X7 Pro. So let's see friends what speed results you'll be able to get in this OnePlus 9R. That is a really interesting question. So let's see, I'll try to do one more time the testing, so we'll get to know all the results in this complete video. And in case if you like this kind of video, so make sure to comment below friends. Definitely I'll do plenty of 4G data connection with other smartphones as well. So right now the highest was 53, I think 54, something close to that. So let's see what will be the last score. It will be recorded 50, 50.9, 51. That's insane friends, 51. That's really good. So overall I did 2 times and 2 times the results were 50 only. And the upload speeds, as you can see, upload speeds are close to 8 Mbps right now. So let's see what will be the speeds in the OnePlus 9R will be recorded. So I did the testing 2 times. So let me try to quickly. There is no other SIM card in this OnePlus 9R, and only I'm trying to use only Idea SIM. So same SIM card, same place, same location, and same time. So we'll get to know all the results. So let me try to keep the SIM in the OnePlus 9R right now. So it is a Idea SIM, so which I'm trying to keep in the OnePlus 9R. As you can see friends right now, so there is no SIM card in this particular Realme X7 Pro. So let me try to keep the SIM card inside. So let's move this to this phone. So OnePlus 9R device. So right now the phone has been successfully turned, the Wi-Fi is turned off completely, and the highest score. So the 4G is on right now. On the top you can see the 4G is on right now. You can clearly see friends. Even I did receive the Vol LTE as well just now. So let me try to start opening the speed test application, and let's see what will be the results will be in this phone, in this OnePlus 9R device in terms of the speed test. So let me try to start the test right now. So let's see friends what will be the results. Even I am very curious to see whether this OnePlus phone will be able to actually beat the Realme X7 Pro or not in this time. So the OnePlus 9R, it straight away went more than 40 straight away without any of thinking. So but let's see whether it will be staying that 50 mark or not. 46, I don't think this phone will make 50, but only 46. As you can see friends, at the moment only 46.7. so even 46 is not bad. So definitely, but still it did not cross the Realme X7 Pro's speed test. That is what I was expecting the phone. 46.7. so that's really good for the Realme X7 Pro. I'm really impressed by this 50 Mbps of speeds the phone was able to capture at the moment. And the OnePlus 9R, I think it's crossing 53, 54, 55, 56. Oh my god, 56. It went up to 56. So that is the highest recorded in this 56 so far. And 50. So it was unable to beat the Realme X1 Pro, but in terms of the speeds, I think both are kind of close to similar, but upload speeds are slightly less in this OnePlus device. So OnePlus in this OnePlus 9R particularly. So these are the upload speeds which I'm trying to test, and these are the few results which I did just now. So let me try to go back. So try to compare both results on the top. You can see the upload speeds are exactly off for the Realme. So upload speeds are only 5, but in the Realme X1 Pro the upload speeds are 10 and 11. So this is another something you can consider when buying the phones. So thank you friends for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more in-depth 4G data speed test results. In the next videos I'll try to compare with other smartphones as well. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.